Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your English accent better. First, listen carefully to native English speakers. Pay close attention to how they form words and the rhythm of their sentences. Try to mimic those sounds and intonation patterns immediately. Recording your own voice is also super helpful. It allows you to hear what needs work. Start by focusing on the most common vowel and consonant sounds to build a strong foundation. For daily practice, try using tongue twisters. They are fantastic for improving articulation and speaking speed. Reading aloud for about 10 to 15 minutes each day helps you focus on clear pronunciation. A great technique is shadowing, where you repeat phrases right after a native speaker. Also, remember to pay attention to which parts of words are stressed and the overall rhythm of sentences. Some sounds can be particularly tricky, but mastering them makes a big difference. Practice the TH sound, both the soft and hard versions, until it feels natural. Pay attention to the difference between short and long vowel sounds, like in ship versus sheep. The R and L sounds are often challenging, so dedicate time to them. Also, ensure clear distinction between P and B sounds. Consistency is key to improving your accent. Aim to practice for at least 15 minutes every single day. Remember to be patient with yourself. Accent improvement is a journey, not a race, and it takes dedication. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. Finally, engage in regular conversations with native English speakers to apply what you've learned in real time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.